COVID-19 vaccines need to be administered, and to do that, you have to have the manpower to do so. Milledgeville says that's why Mercer University's School of Medicine students are stepping up.
Two Mercer University School of Medicine students are setting time aside from their studies to make sure they can go volunteer and administer the vaccine shot around central Georgia. Union, South Carolina native Jessica Hall says she has always known she wanted to go into medicine because she grew up around her mother, Cassandra, who was battling breast cancer.
That kind of was my initial interaction with physicians, as that was our daily life. And that turned into when I went to college, I continued to volunteer.
And now, as a first-year medical student, she is volunteering at Coliseum Hospital and witnessing locals get vaccinated.
It was such a life-changing moment for her to walk in and be able to get that vaccine. And she shed a tear, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna cry with you. Don't do that.
And former EMT Mercer medical student Kyle Wicker is also stepping up to the challenge with Atrium Health Navicent.
It certainly is one thing to hear everything from the news, to hear the vaccines going out, to hear them being distributed, but it's a whole different ballgame to see people and just to talk to people of the community and hear them just thanking you.
All this to say, Hall and Wicker wouldn't have been able to do this if it weren't for learning how to behind the scenes in class with Associate Dean of Academic Affairs, Dr. Jimmy Colquitt.
This is an expression of their heart to help others, and I get to be a part of it.
Hall's dream is to go into pediatrics, and Wicker's goal is to go into pulmonology. But for now, they tell me they're going to continue vaccinating Central Georgians. In Macon, Molly Jett, 13 WMAZ News.
Vaccine administration training was already a part of Mercer's School of Medicine curriculum, but the pandemic and high demand for more vaccinating manpower, they're providing that training earlier. That opens the door for first-year students instead of just third-year students.